Hello my dear student, do you want to write GATE exam maybe 2026 or 2027? Do you have any plan? If you have any plan like 2026, 2027, so myself I am Subbarao Lingam Gunta, my students used to call me Redfy Sir. I trained approximately 25 lakh students from the last 15 years. If you want to write GATE examination of 2026 or 2027, I want to say to you one wonderful thing to you. Please start preparation now. Please start preparation now. This is the wonderful thing. If you start early, you will get more benefits. Those people who are failed in the GATE examination, the mistake what they done the preparation. They started the preparation so late. If you want to get the top rank in the GATE examination, start as early as possible. In my opinion, start now. Whatever it may be, your situation now, please start now. Then you will get the more benefits, more advantages. And one more thing is in the EPT, in the ExamPrepTool, we are starting one new batch for, new foundation batch for GATE 2026-27. And 50% discount also going on. For more details, you can see the description below. So my suggestion to you is start as early as possible. This will be really beneficial if you start early. I want to see you in the classroom, right? So wish you all the best.